This is a class of 2025 Civil Engineering Senior Design Project, Farmers Corner at Bells Bend.
The Living Building Challenge is a certification program that aims to revolutionize the concept of sustainability in the built environment. The challenge provides the framework for designing, constructing, and improving the symbiotic relationship between people and all aspects of the built and natural environment. The Living Building Challenge is composed of 7 performance categories, known as petals, which are divided into a total of 20 imperatives. A living building should be imagined as an efficient flower, curating the ideal scenario for a sustainable and resilient built environment. The place petal aims to restore a healthy interrelationship with nature. The water petal focuses on establishing net positive water use through rainfall collection and on-site filtration. The energy petal requires net positive energy use, relying purely on solar energy income. The health and happiness petal emphasizes an environment which optimizes physical and psychological health, as well as well-being. The materials petal endorses the use of ethically sourced or repurposed materials that are safe for all species through time. The equity petal supports a socially just and equitable world, providing opportunity for all individuals. The beauty petal celebrates a design that uplifts the human spirit. Through the lens of this challenge, our senior design project focuses on a joint community center and cafe site design for a Bells Bend father-son property owner duo, Rocky and Ethan Alvey. Converting Ethan's food truck, the Bells Bend Bistro, which currently operates on the property, into an environmentally conscious structure centered around community fellowship.
Hi there, I'm here with Ethan, the current owner of the wonderful Bells Bend Bistro, and we just have a few questions for him about this wonderful site and his vision for it. Hello, Ethan. How did this site come to be yours?
Yeah, so my dad acquired it and wasn't sure what to do with it. And he also had this camper he was getting rid of. And I just moved to Nashville and pretty much asked him if we could remodel it and if I could use the property. And we both loved the idea and just went for it and been going ever since.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm glad to hear that. So what are you currently using this camper and the site for?
So right now it's just Bells Bend Bistro. We made it a drive-through breakfast for commuters going to Nashville 3 days a week. And we've also done a couple farmers markets here since then, but not much else. So,
yeah. That's awesome. Just cars passing by seem to be waving at you, so you must support the community quite a bit. That's great. Final question, what is your vision for the site? Don't hold back.
So ultimately, we got going pretty quickly. We got a lot of customers and we made a lot of friends and neighbors in the community and decided we needed to do something more. Some sort of building and multi-purpose building would be great and something that the community could enjoy together.
Yeah, no, I'm sure local farmers and everyone in our community will be very grateful. Thank you. Thanks for doing this.
The site is currently a vacant lot, lying on the corner of the intersection of Ashland City Highway and Old Hickory Boulevard. It's a total of 0.4 usable acres.
To develop an official site design, we required a boundary, topography, and utility survey of our lot and the adjacent lot. This survey was conducted by LDA Engineering. Using this DWG file and Civil 3D software, we've developed an accurate site design for the Bells Bend Community Center.
Site design contains a few key components that are in compliance with both the Living Building Challenge requirements as well as Ethan's vision and goals. First, the vegetable garden will grow native fruits and vegetables in repurposed salvage containers, emphasizing a sustainable garden-to-table dining experience, as well as the agricultural heritage of the Bells Bend community. The honeybee apiary will foster pollination and produce local honey for cafe usage. The compost bin, positioned in the garden, supports waste reduction and soil regeneration for the site's botanical and vegetable gardens. The dumpster is required by Tennessee Metro Services, although our building and site will produce minimal landfill-bound waste. The vendor area provides a community-focused marketplace to promote local food, renewable energy, and environmental stewardship. Our site design includes a parking design meeting the zoning and accessibility requirements of a 1,225 square foot building. The parking area will also include electric vehicle charging stations. Covered and uncovered patios for dining and community event seating will house solar panels if excess power for operation is required. The proposed building is a 1,225 square foot structure fabricated using salvage materials and a sustainable building envelope encouraging energy efficiency. The rainwater cistern is located adjacent to the building for the ease of collection from the building's rooftop solar panels. It is sized based on expected annual rainfall amounts and daily water use requirements. The composting pit toilets and septic treatment will greatly reduce water use requirements for the building's operation. 2 bathrooms should satisfy the cafe's established seating capacity of 16 seats. The organic waste collection from this system can be used for compost to fertilize the site's botanical and vegetable gardens. Constructed wetland and bioretention pond are utilized for stormwater management practices.
We hope that the Living Bells Bend Community Center will be an emblem of sustainability both in the local community and the greater Nashville area, operating as the first living building in the state of Tennessee.